solve. Geek for geeks. Problem difficulty level school. Problem number 9. So today's problem is find the median. So given an array of n integers, calculate the median. N equals to 5. So array is given as 90, 100, 78, 89 and 67. So output and median will be 89. So what will we approach? First we use simple 10th formula for finding the median. So first we sort the array in ascending order. So array dot sort v array dot sort. Now we store the length of array in n variable. V dot length. Now we take median as 0. Now we check if n is even, then we use simple median formula. Median equals to v n by 2 plus v n by 2 minus 1 and divide by 2. Else we simply store the value in median equals to v n by 2 Now we return the value of median. Return median. Now compile and run. So code is successfully compiled and run. Now check the test cases. All the test cases has successfully passed. So if you want C, C++ and Python code, you can check description, and thank you.